The submarines HMS Vanguard and Triomphant collided in the Atlantic Ocean in the night between 3-4 February 2009. Both are nuclear-powered ballistic missile submarines. The Royal Navy's HMS Vanguard and the French Navy's Triomphant both sustained damage, but no injuries or radioactivity releases were reported. At the time of the collision, both vessels were submerged and moving at very low speed according to the UK Ministry of Defence. Both are equipped with active and passive sonar, although only the latter is used on an operational patrol. HMS Vanguard was on a routine patrol in the eastern Atlantic Ocean with a crew of 135 and can carry a maximum load of 16 Trident 2D5 ballistic missiles with a standard patrol load of 48 warheads. Triomphant was returning from a tour of duty when the incident occurred. It was carrying a crew of 111 and capable of being equipped with 16 M45 ballistic missiles with a standard patrol load of 48 warheads. On the night between 3-4 February 2009, the two submarines collided in the Atlantic Ocean. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.